Welcome to Diecasting News. Today, we're diving into the trends that will shape your business. A new intelligence report maps out the next decade. Okay, let's get right into it. So, what's the headline? The global market is set for a period of really significant expansion. And what's fueling all this? Well, it's a surge in demand from key end user industries. No surprise here, the automotive sector is still in the driver's seat, leading the charge. But it's not just about cars. Electronics, aerospace, and industrial applications are also heating up. Okay, so what specific parts are we talking about? Let's look at the component types. Engine and transmission parts are still king, but watch for the rise in complex structural components. With all this change, you've got to ask, who are the key players to watch? Industry heavyweights like Alcoa, Dynacast, and Nimac are definitely setting a pace right now. Now, let's talk location. Geographically, the real action is happening in the Asia-Pacific region. In fact, it's on track to become the #1 market globally, outpacing everyone else. And within that region, you have to keep an eye on India. It's becoming a major hub. The report actually calls out firms like Endurance Technologies as absolutely vital market participants. So, how do you turn all this data into an actionable strategy? Let's break it down. First, analyze automotive trends. Second, track your competitors. And third, leverage that Asia-Pacific growth. To put it simply, the market is entering a whole new era of growth and innovation. The opportunities are out there. The only question is, are you positioned to capture them?